My name is Sam Walford. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur from Coventry in the UK. And after 2 long years of grinding on my self-improvement channel and coaching business while stuck in school, in July of this year, I finally dropped out. And this summer has been absolutely crazy.
38 degrees Celsius. That's actually quite scary. I'm getting myself out of this.
This is so weird. It is weird. I didn't feel like real life.
My ankle.
Holy shit!
It's a little bit sketchy because it's all icy. I finally fulfilled my dream of traveling Europe, getting out of the UK, seeing the world and finally experiencing the places I've only ever seen on YouTube. And I'm no longer lonely. After 2 years of cutting off everyone in real life to focus on my business, I finally met up with my online friends.
This is so weird. It is weird.
And the BBC has made a documentary looking into our online self-improvement communities. And for it, they filmed my life this summer, showing the possibilities of what online communities can do for young guys like us. And now, after filming my entire summer from my perspective, I'm finally releasing everything on YouTube to document my life, to inspire you to live your dreams too, and also to educate you on how I'm doing what no one else ever has at 16. And so, if you're like my younger self, you're young, trapped in the system and trying everything you can to make money online so that you can escape and start living your dream life like I have, then click subscribe and watch out for what's coming. Because I am living my dream at 16, and I'm going to teach you everything.